Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a hair tutorial. I've had a ton of requests. I'm just thinking back to this like series that I did on my Instagram. I asked what people like loved or hated about Instagrammers, and people are like, I hate it when they're like, just wanted to jump on here real quick. And so many people have asked me about this, so here we go. But I have gotten a lot of requests, so that's why I'm doing this. Anyways, I have just been using this like weird Amazon curling iron contraption. I did a tutorial with it before, but I was kind of using it in a different way and I had a lot of requests. So here we are. Let's get going. So wash my hair. I usually only use shampoo. And when I get out of the shower, I use this Bumble & Bumble surf spray just all over my head and my Tangle teaser brush, which is my favorite. And then I like to let my hair air dry as much as possible. I already use heat on it a lot anyway, so. But just because it's still a little bit wet, I'm just gonna go through it with my Dyson. Okay, now that it's fully dry, I'm just gonna run a flat iron over kind of the weird parts that just didn't dry very well. Well, just my natural texture, just so that it's like smooth. I don't really like my ends to be very flippy. Oh, this is a Hot Tools Pro. This is the black gold straightener. I used to just get mine from Winners and be like, oh, whatever. This is so much better. I have to say, I love this so much. And you can also use it because of like the shape of it. You can also use it for doing curls, which I'm really bad at. It doesn't have to be perfect by any means. This is kind of supposed to be an undone thing anyway. So then I'm going to go in with this Amazon curling iron contraption. It's basically like 3 curling irons together, and then it gives you that like wave, and it just makes it really easy. This is the only one that I could find that had like large barrels. Otherwise it just looked too crimpy. So I just do one down here. I don't really do 2 sections, but I like to do one here. Careful, it can fucking burn. So just leave it on for like 10-15 seconds. And then I guess I'll do the other side first. And then you just want to make sure that you're letting it cool. But yeah, seriously, be careful. And then I literally just do a few sections and that's it. So I'll just start with the front, and I like to go a little bit further down so that the wave kind of lines up with my eye line, if that makes any sense. There we go. And then side part. You're basically doing like 5 sections around your head, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I just do 1 section back here, just because I'm lazy and I don't even have that much hair anyway, unfortunately. But you can see how right here is where the curl starts, so it like lines up with your eye. It's flattering. And then this part lines up with your cheekbone. I don't always know how the back looks. Okay, then you want to let it cool, and then we'll put some shit in it. Then I just basically like rough it all up. And if it's like a little bit too, oh my God, this is totally the wrong. This is like this. Oh well. If it's a little bit too kind of crimpy, then I'll just go over it with a flat iron. And then if it's too like flippy on the bottom, I'll just go like this. Just make it seem a bit more natural. I wish my hair was like this. And then while I do my makeup, I like to put it behind my ears because it kind of gives like a natural bend, just makes it look a little bit more natural. A few of my favorite products. So I will use a few things for texture. I really like this Revlon Style Masters molding cream. And then spray texture, I really like this Navy Hair Care Pebble Beach dry texture spray, IGK Beach Club volume texture spray. These are both really good. I'll use this Moroccan oil hairspray. Might as well do it now. For a little bit of hold. Oh, it smells so good. I'm not going to do it today, but I also really like this dry shampoo from Moroccan Oil. This is another one of my favorite things ever, this IGK 30,000 Feet volume powder spray. So I will take this and just spray along my roots, especially in the back. And then you just like rub it in. It just like gives you some grit and volume without making your hair sticky. And actually this looks better the more you wear it. Like at the end of the day or like later on in the day, I find my hair looks good. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of this IGK texture spray. Just so the ends aren't fluffy, I'm just gonna put a little bit of this Revlon molding cream. You just literally take it on your hands and like go like that. That's it. That's the whole thing. The whole thing probably takes me like 10 minutes. I don't do it every day, but yeah, that's it. I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.